In the last video we looked at how the admin creates a new user. In this video we're going to look at how admin then can create a listing for that user. So we're going to log in and go to the back end of our directory website, and we're going to go to my WordPress directory entries, and this time we're going to switch form and go to the directory submission form. You'll remember from the last video that we created a new user called Alfresco, that's the business name, and the listing type was free. So we're going to create a basic free listing for that user. To do that we need to make sure we're on the directory submission form, which you can identify at the top underneath entries, and we're going to add a new entry to that form. Now I did say we were going to add a free listing, so we need to change that on the drop down menu here to free, and then we can start filling in the details in the fields below. So I'll fill that in and then just recap in a moment for you. Okay, now I've filled in the business name, the address, the zip code, the business email address, and I have chosen the category as restaurant. I've added 3 keywords: alfresco dining, restaurant New York, and New York restaurant. And I'm now at the bottom section with the user ID, and we need to set this to the business name, which is alfresco, and that's the username we set up in our first video. Again, we leave the entry key blank, and we can then click submit. The entry was successfully created. So now that form submission will have created a new post. We can check that by going to all posts, and we should see alfresco in draft format. And it's gone into draft format so that it's not published straight away when a user submits a listing on the site. It gives you, as the administrator, time to review that listing. Now in our case we can just go to quick edit and change it from draft to published status and click update. If we now refresh the website itself, we should be able to find that listing underneath the premium and featured listings. So it's showing here at the moment, and if we click on it we'll see what is actually displayed on a free listing. The free listings don't get to upload an image, so there's an awaiting image put in as standard. Underneath that are the claim this listing button, which is visible because the listing hasn't been claimed yet. The free listing doesn't get to put a description of their business in, so there's nothing seen underneath this section, but they do get to put their contact details in, so those are seen here. The telephone and mobile are not seen, they don't get to choose that on a free listing, and neither their website or social media details, so we don't display them here. No videos or images in the gallery, but they do get the review section. So that's it for a free listing, and that's the end of this video.